Hey, what's going on, guys? If you are using an Asus TUF monitor like this and you wonder the sound is not coming, if the sound is not coming, and if you wonder what is the problem, this might be the issue. Behind the monitor, there's a button like this. You will see a button like this. Okay, this one is a controller. Like, you can double click this one and you will see something like this on the screen. So let me double click that. I go to the button and I double click this. Okay, this one appears, and this button is a controllable. Like, it can move up, down, side, and everything. And if you press that one, that's gonna select. So you have to go down with that and then select the setting and then sound, and make sure the mute is off. This was my issue. Like, when I had the computer, I was wondering why my sound is not coming. Now once I turn this mute off, the sound start coming. So if you have Asus TUF monitor and if you wonder why the sound is not coming, this might be the issue.